Good morning, students. Today I am going to start my class from standard 6. The lesson will be sentence, parts of sentence, and kinds of sentence. You know, when we speak or express our thoughts or feelings, they are in group of words. Some of these words, group of words, make a complete sense, and these added group of words are called a sentence. So question rises here, what is a sentence? What is a sentence? You know, a sentence is a group of words which are arranged in a proper way and make a complete sense called a sentence. I give an example. The the earth moves around the sun. We can't survive without air and water, right? So there are so many words in this sentence. The earth moves around the sun, but when they are grouped, but when they are combined in a proper way, they make a sentence, and so it is called a sentence. Now we come parts of sentence. You know, a sentence has two parts, subject and predicate, right? A subject is a part of sentence which tells something in the sentence, like the doctor treats a patient. My father goes to his office daily. I have underlined these words, the doctor and my father. The underlined words are subjects. The remaining part of a sentence is a predicate. A predicate is also a part of sentence which tells about a subject. Like, I have delivered a speech in the morning assembly. My friends are genius. The underlined words, the underlined parts, like have delivered a speech in the morning assembly, and second are genius. These underlined parts of the sentences are predicate. Okay? A subject is always a noun or a pronoun, right? A subject is always a noun or a pronoun. There are two words in question by which we can identify the subjects or predicate from any sentence, like who. When we ask a question with who, right, we can identify the subject, like who has delivered a speech in the morning assembly, right? In the morning assembly, the answer will be I. The answer will be I. So I is a subject, and when we ask question from what, right? What do I do, right? Or what have I done? The answer is have delivered a speech in the morning assembly. So these are two words, who or what, by which we can identify the subject and a predicate from any sentences, right? And in the next chapter I will discuss about kinds of sentence. I am giving you some sentences from which you have to choose subject and predicate. There are four sentences, like you know how to cook food, she never comes to school, you should solve these problems, and last question is I have passed the examination. Thank you.